I'm not going to talk about things like suicidal mentality by Wi-Fi's, all the rest of it, or the constant agenda where they were trying to get people to commit suicide and whatever. But with the survivalist type things and the post-apocalyptic agenda, and this fear-mongering has been around for thousands of years to keep people in line. It's not a recent thing. The world's going to end. We're all going to die. The question I pose to you is quite simple. And it's not a case of, could you survive in a post-apocalyptic environment? The question I ask is very simple. Would you want to live in a post-apocalyptic environment? Would you want to live in an environment where you don't have Wi-Fi, pizza, or anything of that nature? Would you want to live in a place where you don't have Xbox, where you don't have your toys, your games, your gizmos, your treats? Would you want to live in an environment where you've actually got to work for your food? Where you actually have to get your hands and your fingernails dirty? So the question is not, could you survive? The question is, would you want to? My answer is, I've got 32 litres. I've been getting through it, but I've got 32 litres of homemade vodka. And it's bloody lovely.